Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for cream cheese salmon spread. This is actually my aunt's Joyce recipe, but I just added a few extra ingredients and tweaked it a little bit. But it's so delicious, I know you guys will enjoy. So to get started, I have some fresh salmon here, but if you want to use the canned salmon, you sure can. I already went ahead and washed the salmon up in some lemon juice and pat it dry. I also have the cream cheese here, where you can make the spread without cream cheese. So I have my cream cheese. I'll be using some capers, parsley, green onions or scallions. I have red onions, lemon juice, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, and black pepper. So to get started, you want to set your oven on the broiler. We're going to set that on high, and we will allow this to broil for about 10 to 12 minutes. You want to put a generous amount of Old Bay seasoning onto the salmon as well as some black pepper, and then we will place this in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Next, we'll go ahead and combine our ingredients. Now you want to make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature so that it's easy to mix. Now we will add all our ingredients. We will add the onions, the capers, green onions, blah, blah, blah. All those ingredients we will add here and give it a good mix. And the last thing we'll add is our salmon. Of course, you want to, break your salmon apart and then you add it in here and just give it a good mix. Now I did realize that for me, I needed more cream cheese, so I went in with a little bit more, about 2 tablespoons more. And that's it, guys. It's super simple and easy. Now you can taste this and add seasoning to your own liking. Make sure that it suits your taste buds, because everybody have different taste buds. You could add your own seasonings as well. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Just make it your own and enjoy. And here you have it, guys. Cream cheese salmon spread. This is a great breakfast idea, or even as a snack or appetizer. You can have it with some chips. You could have it on a bagel, some toast. I know my Caribbean people love crackers. You can have it with crackers as well. The possibilities are endless. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!